How to make your acne disappear overnight, 5 home remedies for pimples. Most people will experience acne at least once in their lifetime. Pesky pimples are one of the signs of acne. Despite the fact that conventional methods can get rid of pimples, they're often accompanied by adverse effects, such as skin irritation and dryness. Because of this, many think poking pimples with a needle isn't very effective. The bad news is that, while there are many natural acne remedies out there, only a few have been proven to work. The following are 5 natural methods to get rid of pimples fast, despite the fact that their effectiveness may be limited at this point. 1. Green tea. Remove the cooled tea from the heat after brewing it for a few minutes. Put on pimples after it has become cold to touch. Before sleeping, place a brewed green tea cube on the pimple. Redness and swelling can be reduced by its anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Ice. Placing an ice cube on pimples is best. Use ice carefully and do not hold it on the area for more than 20 seconds. You should ice it for at least 15 minutes, remove it and ice it again. 2 times per day is fine. In addition to reducing the swelling, it will also help contract the pimple. 3. Tea tree oil. There are very few ingredients in skincare products that are better than tea tree oil. In particular, it is an excellent ingredient for preventing or eliminating acne. High grades may cause redness and irritation when used alone or as an ingredient in other products. It fights irritation because it is anti-inflammatory and neutralizes bacteria like those that clog pores and cause breakouts. If you already have pimples, you can apply it to them, especially if you just couldn't resist popping them, or if you just need to prevent irritation afterwards. 4. Honey. When it comes to skincare, honey has a lot to offer. If you have acne-prone skin, it can do wonders. By inhibiting the growth of bacteria in honey, inflammation will be reduced and healing will be facilitated. Drops of this solution should be applied to the infected area overnight, then washed off in the morning. 5. Apply aloe vera. Skincare products made with aloe vera are among the most popular and trusted. Additionally, it works well on acne because it both soothes and promotes repair. You can relieve a pimple overnight by applying some fresh aloe vera gel over the acne. Make sure you like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.